Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Disney being in talks to acquire AT&T's stake in Hulu. Before I do so, let's take a look at the stock movement and statistics. So Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Current price is $112.78. Today, down 0.63%. Past week, down 0.54%. Past month, up 1.82%. Past 3 months, down 2.57%. Past year, up 4.43%. And past 5 years, up 40.1%. And as I mentioned, the current price of $112.78 is at the midpoint between the 52-week range of $97.68 and $120.20. Current market capitalization is $170.25 billion. It's a fairly low PE ratio, and it's a pretty good dividend yield. So it's a pretty good stable dividend stock. And as I mentioned, Disney is in talks to acquire AT&T's Hulu stake. So for those who are not familiar, Hulu is a TV streaming platform similar to Netflix that carries current and past episodes from its owners' respective TV networks and partners. And in terms of stake ownership, Disney owns 30% of Hulu, 21st Century Fox owns 30% as well, Comcast owns 30%, and AT&T holds a 10% stake. And from what I understand, Disney is already going to acquire Fox's partial ownership in Hulu, giving Disney a majority stake if the deal closes. So the additional stake from AT&T will give Disney a total of 70%. That's 30% from Disney, 30% from Fox, and 10% from AT&T. And AT&T holds 10% through Warner Media after the now acquired Time Warner bought into Hulu to join other partners Disney, Fox, and Comcast. And Disney's acquisition of Warner Media's stake, combined with the 30% it's set to acquire through its $71 billion asset deal with Fox, would bring Disney's control of Hulu to 70%. And Comcast, who owns the remaining 30%, said that it's not yet interested in selling the remaining stake in Hulu. So if all goes well, Disney would own 70% stake of Hulu, and Comcast would own the remaining 30%. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Disney's stock? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.